So, Paul Myers here, Road Warrior Investors. Got Denise on the camera.
Good morning.
We are in Hughes, Arkansas. So as part of our journeys around, we go look at the different towns and kind of get out and see America. This is a little town that I think it was founded in, first settled in 1836 or something like that. Maybe became a town like 1916 or something. Anyway, old compared to Pacific Northwest area. So we went out and looked and see houses for sale, and we found this one actually. This one's actually on the market. You can't even find a used car for the price of this house. This is $12,500 they're asking for it. So we wanted to see what it's like, knowing that we're kind of a different rural part of Arkansas. Imagine rehabbing here might be a bit challenging. We talked about rural in different videos, but this is probably pretty hard to do a lot here just because a lot of industry left. I guess this place really dried up after agriculture went away after the Great Depression. But there's still people that live here, and there's still opportunity. This is one of the houses we passed many abandoned houses along the way too, which are way beyond repair. So we thought we'd come take a look at this one. So I've never been here. Lisa's never been here. This is all new. So we'll take a look. Quick video on this. Obviously, may need a roof. Black plastic doesn't work too well. Vinyl siding, pretty typical of the house. Just vintage. Second has some damage.
I think what we noticed driving up is the front door is wide open.
Yeah, usually I wouldn't recommend we just go into houses, but this case is the rule. Just hello? Hello? Okay, well, no one's in here, but definitely some good things to look out in this house that we don't have in the Pacific Northwest. And if you come in, you'll see what I mean. This house is that's I don't know if this is easy.
That'd be safe, yeah.
Yeah, so I come in this far so we can see a couple different things here. We see one is a lot of moisture here. You can see by the ceiling fan going down. The other thing you see here is a lot of rot. Right? This is kind of a humid climate. You can see all the rim joists around here going rotten. Yeah, it's probably got a lot of termite damage and stuff in here too. So this is a house on the market. Interesting to see. You can see the floor is falling in here too. Since I'm a little heavier than most. And see, it's got roof leaking, panels gone, wiring's gone. I probably won't even venture all the way back there, but this is kind of what it is here. That's sad, really. But yeah, I think that. What else do you have to add, Trace?
We're in it's a beautiful little city, and there are people working right over here. We have people working on the roof. This looks like a multi-unit.
Yeah.
Several multi-units over there. And it's it can be cleaned up and made nice.
Yeah.
And a new livable home. It's a newer home too, according to the stats online. It's at like a 1995.
I think
home.
It was remodeled in '95. You can see it's older. It's older from the thing, but the other thing to note, this is a delta floodplain where all this a lot of Arkansas is, a lot of agriculture, and when you have floodplains, you don't have a lot of real strong soils. You have a lot of soft soils for growing.
Yeah.
This house, this whole town sitting on that. You can see, besides the damage here, you can see the damage is settling in the foundation there. Now, some of that maybe comes from the rot, but a lot of this is from just the way that even here, this is off. You see things like this bulge here. It's solid. That means it's sunk a little bit. So when you look at houses down here, you see foundation issues. You can see here too the way this beam is angled. They shouldn't be angled toward that. They should be angled out. But the house is probably settled a little bit. I see it's all bowed right here. So honestly, to redo this house, personally, not knowing the area well, I'm tearing this thing down and starting over. But then again, do you have to start a new house in a neighborhood like this? I don't know.
What would be the resale value? You got to run the numbers to see if that's even feasible in terms of that.
Exactly. This one's probably a little too far gone, I think, to renovate unless you had a really cheap crew or had materials in stock or do it yourself. But it is a beautiful community.
Hughes, Arkansas. It is a beautiful drive.
Definitely a fun day out there. It's a beautiful day, sunny out, and there you go. So that's all we got here. Road Warrior Investors out. See us in the field again. Like, comment, subscribe. And I was going to add too, if somebody wants to visit them in the field, look at rehab or help them out, and we're happy to do that. So reach out to us in the comments. We'll come out and find you. Thanks. See ya.